So, we match again. Yeah, just like last time. Yeah. It's the middle of February, and I'm walking outside with no jacket. This is great, but I'm sure it'll be cold again next week, so it's just like a tease in what spring's gonna be. Back in the lot, ready to do science. We're gonna do a quick sample prep today and start imaging it with this STM now that it's fixed. Also, we matched today, right, Jake? Yeah.
Shit fucking smells so bad.
What smells?
Tape. Alright. So how does the variac work? It's like, this is, what is the dial representing?
Does the dial go to 100 or 120?
It goes to 130 and actually like beyond that.
So I think it basically outputs the voltage. If it goes to 100, that means it's usually outputs the percentage of the maximum voltage that come off the wall.
Ah, I see.
You can test it if you want by plugging in a multimeter at the end and turning it up and see what kind of voltage that you measured.
Yeah, I'll try that.
Just don't shock yourself.
Try.
Do I need to come over with a 2x4?
It's probably not a bad idea, just to be safe. I mean, it's for lab safety, so.
Alright. It was thunderstorming last night and it's hailing right now. It's Ohio's way of saying goodbye. So TC did more stuff into the STM chamber. Or Taka and TC. Both Taka and TC. So we got the suitcase on here now, and then we got the transfer arm installed up here. Yeah, the chamber is a beast now. Like, look at that. I guess as a size comparison, comparing TC with the cryostat and transfer arm.
Maybe because the lose or something.
Ram goes to the transform?
Transform, yeah.
Oh, you shouldn't.
I haven't locked them yet.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
No, still
So-
shouldn't change that much. Oh, well.
Yeah, lock them like after it. Not sure where it is. What the hell?
They made him use the soft drinks.
Yeah. They do the job.
That's the problem. That's a 2.75 inch flange, and I have 4 people here. So.
I know.
Well, you know what? Actually, if you can take out the camera and put it here.
No, I was gonna say, can we just like put it there, and then Igor, you can have a digital display. How we looking?
How's it going?
Where you at? Taking a video?
Yeah, there's one thing. It's A, B, C. Always be cameraing. So you gotta get the camera on you all the time, at all times.
Mm-hmm.
Can't miss a moment, man.
Uh-huh.
You can't miss a moment.